How to sign in to your Epic Games account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign in or log into your Epic Games account, or even create a new one if you don't have an account. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open any web browser you have on your device, and on the search bar you're just going to search for Epic Games. Once you do so, the top result will be the official website of Epic Games. So you just want to open up this website. And once your website loads up, all you have to do now is once you are on the website, at the top right, you will see the sign in option. You can even get the Epic Game Launcher downloaded to your device by clicking right here. But in order to sign into your website, you just click on sign in. So once you do that, you will be taken to the sign-in portal of Epic Games. Now here you have multiple options. So if you have previously connected your email account, you can just enter it right here, enter the according password, and then directly click on sign in. But if you have any other accounts connected on different platforms like Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam, Facebook, Google, Apple ID, or even Lego's account. So these are all of the available platforms that you can connect your Epic Games account with. So let's say if I've previously connected my Google account, I'm just going to click on Google, and then from here you can just continue with your Google account. But if you want to create a new one, just click on create new account. Here you will just have to select your birthday, select your year, and then click on continue. And now here you just have to enter all of these required details like your email address, your first name, last name, your display name, and you have to create a password. I suggest you include different numbers and symbols so that you make your password strong. And after you do that, click on continue, and you'll just have to verify through your email. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.